This is the Gold Mining Camp Museum in Gold Vein, Virginia, sharing the property with Monroe Park in Fauquier County. This is a free, very well-maintained, multi-building, accessible exhibit showcasing the trying times of being a miner in the Old Dominion during the 1930s. Also on the property, there is a gem mining sluice with gem bags for you to purchase, so you can experience sifting through mining rough to find some fossils or little treasures. See the link below for the Fauquier County Parks and Rec Museum's main page, a link to a PDF for a free on-site scavenger hunt, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.